For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Your bathroom upgrade starts with one simple change: the right sink. If you want a bathroom that feels clean, calm, and practical every single day, the brown oval ceramic vessel sink is worth your attention. This above-counter egg-shaped basin is designed for real use, not just display. The natural brown ceramic tone blends easily with wood, stone, and neutral countertops, making it a safe and stylish choice for most bathroom setups. I've seen this sink installed on a standard vanity during a small bathroom refresh, and it fit without any special adjustments. What stood out immediately was the shape. The oval basin helps control water flow so splashing is reduced, and the counter stays dry during hand washing. Why choose this vessel sink? This sink is built for low-effort maintenance. The glazed ceramic surface wipes clean quickly with mild soap and water. After weeks of regular use, there was no visible soap buildup or staining. The egg-shaped design guides water directly toward the drain, which helps prevent pooling. The ceramic is high-fired with low water absorption, which supports hygiene and long-term durability. This makes it suitable for daily use in busy households or guest bathrooms. Key features: natural brown ceramic finish inspired by nature, textured outer surface with smooth inner basin, glazed surface resists dirt and stains, oval shape improves drainage and water control, low water absorption for cleaner use. Your perfect bathroom upgrade awaits. If you want a vessel sink that looks natural, works reliably, and stays easy to maintain, this brown oval ceramic vessel sink is a smart and practical upgrade.